Everyone, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it is mail time once again. I have to be honest, I'm surprised that we are doing this episode and the following episodes because of the pandemic. I figured that, times are tough. I just wasn't expecting so much. And let me tell you folks, we have received a lot. I'm so incredibly thankful.
It is true. We have an explosion of mail, so we have a couple of viewer mail episodes that we will be filming. And it's been unreal to go to the post office and leave with an armful of packages every time. You guys are amazing. You guys are very generous. And I'm excited to see what we have. This comes from Sam, and this is St. Matthew, South Carolina. Hello, Susie and Luke. Great, useful, and informative channel. I love watching your videos from here in St. Matthew, South Carolina. I bet it's very nice weather there.
I bet it's awesome.
Keep up the great work. I especially enjoyed the recent video, Ice Camping in a Day Storm. Would either of you consider doing a viewer mail episode in a funny costume, like a chicken suit, Ninja Turtle outfit, or a Pokemon character? It might be funny. Could work for Halloween, or just funny. That is
Maybe.
Funny. I think we should get you a wolf
Oh
costume.
my gosh. Could you guys imagine that? A wolf costume. It's like 80 degrees.
You're standing here in a wolf, and I say, hello guys, it's Susan and Luke here with the Outdoor Gear Review. And
Buddy, thank you very much for the postcard. We appreciate it, and also for the kind words. It means a lot. Moving on to package number 2. Let's go with this little oddity.
all right,
Let's see what's in the envelope.
I think I might just can rip it, maybe.
Tear us right through the letter.
I know, that would be so bad.
I've
Okay.
done that, so.
I didn't, so thank goodness. Oh, that's a really nice, pretty card.
This is from my good buddy, Nathan. Thank you so much, man. I've enjoyed getting to know you, and Elizabeth, you both are really good people.
Well, I will give you these,
Uh-huh.
and I will look at these cards. We have 2 cards. So one's from Nathan. I'll summarize. Luke and Susie, thank you both for all the hard work you do making videos. They mean the world to me. You make me feel like part of the family, and I really like hearing that because we hope that that's what everybody feels like.
Yeah.
It's a blessing, and I'm honored to call you my friend.
Likewise, man.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nathan. And then this one is from Elizabeth,
Yeah.
and she says, hi, how are you? She's hurting most days. Nothing seems to help. Doctors won't see her till June or October.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. She's working on a book. That sounds interesting.
She, and actually Nathan too, they like awesome at writing poetry and whatnot.
She wants to know how the family is. Everybody's good. Thank you for asking. Her family's good, and they're having cold and rainy weather. We've had some of that too, but it happens to be a gorgeous day today.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you so much, Elizabeth. That is really sweet.
Yeah, thank you both so much.
Yeah.
What they sent in are 2 pin lights, one for me, one for you.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yay.
This is fantastic for inside of the vehicle. Just grab it and go and use it, whatever you want to. And of course, there's so many times when you need a little light like this. So Nathan and Elizabeth, thank you both so very much. We do appreciate it. So moving on here.
I knew you were going to pick that one.
Susie?
The package is so inviting. All right, I'll just rip this one too.
Go for it. Whoa.
A small box.
Yeah. I have a feeling this is for Susie. Check that out. Isn't that cool?
This is from Dana. Do you already know? I feel like you know.
I know a little bit.
You know stuff I don't know.
Yeah.
Surfer's Point. Ooh. Definitely would be for me, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Whoa.
Love the box too. Oh, very nice. And look,
Yeah.
it's got an S.
For Susie.
Yes, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, Dana.
Wow.
Very nice.
That is awesome.
That is cool.
Thank you so much for your kindness.
Yeah, thank you. All the way from California. Very cool.
Susie and I had plans to make our way to California this year. I don't know if that's going to happen because of the obvious. We shall see. Wow. That is awesome.
That is very cool. Thank you so much.
So this one comes from Dublin Jerky Company. Did you know we were getting this?
No.
Well, Dublin Jerky, thank you very much. If there's not jerky in this box, I would be
Sad.
Very, very sad.
Sad. Jerky!
Wow. Wow.
Ooh, this is the good stuff.
So we have original beef and
Barbecue beef.
let's open the barbecue, want to?
Yes.
Dublin Jerky, thank you very much for keeping us fed.
Fed. This fuels us for our adventures.
That is awesome. Again, Dublin Jerky and barbecue, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Amazing. Man, that was awesome jerky.
So good. That is the best thing when you are opening viewer mail and you get a snack as well. All right, let's move on to this one. Comes from Jeffrey.
All right. Jeffrey, my friend, thank you so very much, buddy. You are appreciated for whatever's in the box. What's in the box? I don't know. I'm about to find out.
All right. Dear Luke and Susie, I have enclosed a knife that was hand forged by a blacksmith named Larry Lewis from Lynn Valley, Kansas. Larry makes primitive knives of the sort that country blacksmiths would have forged prior to the Industrial Revolution. Wow.
Wow.
I won't read everything word for word.
Okay.
But he's made a knife blade that's like a hybrid.
Mm-hmm.
He says the sheath is one that he bought out of a junk box at a gun show from a guy who was selling poor quality knives from Pakistan. That's a funny story.
Awesome story.
He says you might want to condition it.
Okay.
The steel in the blade was forged from old leaf spring, and if you look closely, you can see some grain in the blade.
Sweet. Whoa. Folks, how awesome is that?
That is so nice.
Yeah. Wow. I mean, that fits me perfectly right there. I love handmade knives like this. I mean, it's super sharp. I love it. That is so, so cool. Jeffrey, my friend, thank you very much, buddy. I will use this in the next bushcraft overnight adventure. What was the blacksmith's name again?
Larry Lewis.
Larry.
From Kansas.
Yeah. I'm gonna say
Very nice.
thank you to Larry as well. The last box comes from my good buddy Thomas. Thomas, what is in the box? What's in the box, man?
Is it heavy?
No, not really.
What are your spidey senses say?
Some sort of like article of clothing, maybe like a sweater or a jacket.
Okay. Let's see if you're right.
Flip it upside down, of course. What do your senses say?
It's a jacket.
What?
Oh!
What?
Hey, look! I was kind of right. Your
Aw,
favorite!
snap. That is so cool. Navy Mom for Susie.
Sweet! Thank you so much. And that one's yours.
Yeah, a Marine Corps Polar Tech fleece. I would put this on right now if it wasn't like 75 degrees, but
I would too.
Yeah.
But next time that it's cold and we film,
thank you so much, man. We appreciate this, I mean, so much.
one more thing.
Oh, wow. Cool. Spectre pouch.
So the letter signed Tommy Smith. He says, keep up the good work. Thought you would like one of these in Coyote, plus a pouch.
Dang
And
right.
of course, something for Susan.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you so
Man,
much.
yeah, thank you so very much. Wow. The generosity of all of the viewers just blows me away. We say this in every single episode, but we're touched. We appreciate you all. Here at the channel, we really are a family. I love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna text Madison a picture of this
Yeah.
and be like, look what I got. And she'll be like, where did you get that from?
Susie and I really appreciate all the friendships that have developed thanks to the channel over the years. I mean, Susie talks with people about knitting. She's made friends there. I talk with the viewers all the time, like Nathan and Elizabeth, for an example. We usually talk just about every day. We are very, very lucky.
We are lucky. And
Yeah.
of course, if you want to talk about hiking or camping or have questions about women's gear, I'm happy to answer any of those questions as well. So feel free to email us and we will respond.
That's right. I do use Facebook. I answer every message that I receive on Facebook, but you have to send it in a message. Please don't like post a comment or something on the page because there's a possibility that it will go unseen. There's just so many comments that I can't see them all. So send me a message either through email or on Facebook. All right, everybody. See you next time. Strength and honor. Bye.
Bye.